Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you 3 different types of electrical junction boxes by material. PP melts in high heat and bends over time. PA and PC become brittle and crack in heat and humidity. Linsky uses PPO material. As you can see here, it won't melt, bend, or crack under long-term stress or temperature changes. It withstands 80°C to 105°C UL standard. It's also highly resistant to water, acid, and corrosive chemicals. Great for wet environments. In the US, per NEC rules, commercial buildings must use galvanized steel junction boxes. They are very strong and won't break, so wires stay safe and no risk of electric shock. Metal boxes, conduits, and equipment create a continuous ground path that trips breakers fast. Galvanized steel also blocks electrical interference very well among metal junction boxes. Die-cast aluminum boxes work better in extreme condition. They're very strong, shock-resistant, and can handle heavy impact and pressure. Heat rejection, block electrical interference, resist corrosion, and are lighter than steel. They do cost more and need proper grounding, and are not good with strong chemicals, but their on-piece design and aluminum material make them tough and safe, even for exclusive environments. For normal environments, with no heavy impact, choose PPO junction boxes, and for the offices, malls, schools, light industry, and grounded equipment, choose galvanized steel boxes. For heavy industry, vibration, and extreme conditions, choose die-cast aluminum boxes. Do you want to learn more about junction boxes? Drop your questions in the comments.